Hello friends and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be making collard green stir fry with shrimp and coconut. It is a Sri Lankan Jaffna style dish, so I'll show you step by step how to make this easy, simple, delicious recipe.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Hey friends, I'm all done cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cook. Not only watch me cook, please do try my recipes. Very easy, simple dishes. Most of the dishes that what I make is very simple, and it's not only simple, gotta tell you, it tastes really good. So please do try them. Leave your comments, like, and if you do really like my video, please hit subscribe right below. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.